Bryant. Skip, as we look at the list here, is Kobe Bryant overpaid?
Stephen A., when I saw this list last night, it leaped out to me that Kobe makes $7 million more than anybody else in this league.
Why? So what's the problem?
$27 million.
And what's the problem?
I realized that you can make the case it came under old collective bargaining agreements. But still, I'm still a prisoner of what I recently saw in the NBA playoffs.
Yeah, you need to get over that.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No,
yes,
I
you
do not.
Yes, you
I'm
do.
not.
Wait,
Listen,
you
this
better
was
be careful.
Kobe.
Hold on. Pause. You better be careful about what the words that's about to come out of your mouth. Don't be disrespectful. You better be careful. Careful. Go ahead, Skip. I'm listening.
You ready?
Yes, I am.
Sit back down in that chair.
I'm sitting
Lean
up,
back
Skip.
in that
I'm
chair.
sitting. You better be careful. Go ahead.
Kobe Bean Bryant. Should Tim Tebow make $27 million? Because he's big box office. He's big ratings, man. He was blowing the top out of the ratings last year.
Hold on, wait a minute. Will I get fired if I walk off the set right now?
No, you
I said, hold on, wait a minute.
You know why? Because you have no comeback.
I said you have to.
I'll let you off the hook here.
Wait a minute.
You got no comeback.
Wait a minute. I said you have to be able to play and be box office. You can't be box office but can't play. Don't you dare. Are you trying to tell me in that same, you're going to sit here. You're going to sit. I swear to God, I'm standing up for this. I'm standing up for this.
Talk about Hollywood?
Tell me,
Tim
are you going to tell
Hollywood.
me that Tim Tebow deserves to be mentioned
bigger draw
in the
than
same
Kobe
battle
Bryant is
than
right
Kobe
now.
Bryant?
He's a bigger draw than Kobe
He's a
Bryant.
bigger.
Yeah.
Go to break.
I got him.
I almost want to walk off this set right now. I can't believe this man just said this out of his mouth. You're telling me that
Marcellus Wiley in the house? We need to get Marcellus out.
Where is he?
He needs a blow.
Tim Tebow?
He's out.
Tim Tebow is more box
office
office than Kobe Bryant?
Yes.
Than Kobe Bryant?
Yes.
Is Tim Tebow more box office than LeBron?
I think so. It's the National Football League. Go look at the numbers. Go look at the numbers he did in his games last year. It's through the roof.
Go on a set.
It's through the roof. Marcellus, get out here. I need some help.
I don't even talk.
Marcellus out.
I can't deal with it right now.
Yeah,
I need a break. I need a break. I need a break.
I just crushed
need a break.
I
You gotta be
crushed the
kidding
man.
me.
Get out here.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
It's all.
I can't believe it.
I
can't
crushed
believe
the
it.
man. He couldn't take it anymore.
I can't believe it.
What's wrong with your back? You got a
You don't
pillow?
need a cushion.
What's going on with this? I don't need no pillow cushion.
Go get dressed.
That's your problem. You're too soft.
Yeah, he's too soft. Look at this.
We're gonna try and restore order.
What is
For the
going
love
on
of
here?
God.
I got him.
When we return, we'll talk about
quit.
another box office star in baseball, if there are
Stephen A. Smith quit.
box office stars in baseball. Derek
That man
Jeter
said
moved into 11th
Tim
on the all-time
That man said
hits
that Tim
list.
Tebow.
He's 1,000 behind Pete Rose. What do you make of
can't
his
go there,
season?
Will.
We'll ask Skip. Maybe
That man
Steven,
said,
if he's back. All he has is his pillow.
I can't go there.